All right, so just like yesterday, we're dealing with the trig ratios, but this time they're giving us a coordinate. So these are the trig ratios we're going to be dealing with. So it says find the value of tangent if the terminal side of the angle is at the point -5, 6. Okay, so I've given you the x and y, and I've drawn the circle for you guys. Okay, so the information that they're giving us, it's a coordinate. Okay, so that's our x and y. So they're telling us x is -5, y is 6. Well, that's telling us it's in quadrant 2 because x is -5 and y is positive, so it puts us in quadrant 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw that coordinate. So -5, 6 is going to be right here. This is the point -5, 6. That's my coordinate. Okay, but as well as it telling us this is my triangle, where this side is -5 and this side is 6. So again, this is our y value here, and this is our x. We're looking for the tangent of theta. Well, tangent theta is y over x. So what is tangent theta? Six over -5. Technically, for this one, we didn't even have to set up the triangle. Because like you said at the beginning, the coordinate here, this is x, y. You need x and y for tangent. It's sitting right there. The coordinate itself has the numbers in it that we need. So we really didn't even have to set up the triangle, but I wanted to make sure that you knew how to set the triangle up given that point so that when we actually have to do it, we can do it. Now the next one. Find the value of sine if the terminal side of the angle is at the point for -2. So again, that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to graph the coordinate. So for -2, that puts us in the fourth quadrant for -2. So it'll be somewhere like this for -2. And that's our terminal side. So it's talking about this whole angle here, which means this is my triangle. X is 4, y is -2. Okay, well, it's asking us to find sine theta, which is y over r. Well, I know what y is, but I need to find out what r is. So using Pythagorean theorem, we have to solve for r. Okay, and we could even right here put sine is going to be, I already know my y value is -2. So I just have to find the r value. So use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So this is 16 plus 4 equals c squared, because 4 squared is 16, -2 squared is +4. So 20 equals c squared, which means c equals plus or minus the square root of 20. Okay, now again, we're dealing with the radius here, so the radius cannot be negative. So I get rid of my -1, so r is the square root of 20. So that means that sine is -2 over the square root of 20. And that's our answer. And we could rationalize the denominator and do all that stuff, but we're just trying to find the trig ratios right now. And that's it.